This is your monster biting me right now. Ouch, that hurts, buddy. I'm wearing shorts. Here's your monster. It's a different monster there. Go on up here where you're farther away, little one. Look over here. I love the tail on this kitten so much. It's like a raccoon. And that's Mom. And this is a shy one. This is a shy one. This is a sister, who's going to Russia or Belarus, Minsk. But it's shy and it also has long hair. And here was the one I was keeping. See this one? Also friendly like yours. That's Mom.